All live broadcast. All right, I'm talking to Hector Barrios from Action Duck.
Yes.
And tell me what you guys do.
Yeah, we're in the HVAC duct cleaning service. We're out of Altadena, California. We service all of California with our HVAC cleaning services.
Okay, so do you guys do heating and air too, or do you just clean ducts?
We do cleaning we do cleaning ducts is our main service, but we do repairs as well.
You do repairs and heating stuff, but
Yeah.
do you do change outs and things like that, or just strictly?
Just strictly.
So me as a contractor, I'm a HVAC contractor. I could call you up and say, hey, because I don't do duct cleaning myself at my company. So I could call you up and say, you guys, I got a house over here. You clean the ducts and you just come and do it. And when my job's done or before my job starts, so that you can take care of that stuff.
Yeah, that's exactly what we do. We subcontract services for a lot of companies. We'll go out to the home, we'll clean the ducts. And this year we had a lot of fire restoration.
Yes, from
the Altadena and Palisades fires. So we were deep in that for a while, still are, and we provide sanitizing and deodorizing of the ductwork.
Right, and you're a tech, so you do the work.
I'm an account executive.
Oh,
I
okay.
used to be a tech.
You said tech. She's
Yeah.
telling me
I used to be a tech, and that's how I moved on to my position now.
Okay.
But yeah, I've been doing duct cleaning since I was 18 years old.
So typically, describe the process to somebody that hasn't done duct cleaning. What do you guys do?
Yeah,
how does it go about?
So typically, you want to clean your ducts every 3 to 5 years in the home. What we do is we get up there, get up to your attic, check out the unit, do a wipe down, vacuum the unit, clean the coils, all that good stuff. And then when we work from the unit down, from all the drops, we use reverse air sweeps.
Okay.
And what that is, it's like a long, small hose with tentacles at the end, and it gets it all disrupted inside the ductwork. Gets it all agitated, moving it around, and then at each register, we suck it all out with a HEPA vacuum.
So at each register, you're doing it individually?
Each
Are you blocking off of the others so that it's, at the unit?
Yeah, we block off everything.
Okay. Yeah. So is it a HEPA system that you guys use to bring all that stuff out that you're filtering air through?
It's a NACA HEPA system that we use.
Okay.
And,
all right. Is it a truck mount, or do you guys, is it a portable unit?
Both.
You guys usually bring
both.
In? So you do both?
Because we do commercial as well.
Yeah.
So we use the truck mounts a lot with the commercial jobs.
Right.
And then we have our individual systems for the residential.
Okay. And then, do you guys do a before and after inspection camera?
Absolutely.
For the stuff
we provide that service too. We provide full camera inspection service, and then we'll provide you with the before and after post-job report.
And after. Okay. Well, so did you guys do any post airflow, pre-airflow measurements to see if it changes anything?
We don't do balancing.
Okay. All right. But you don't do a reading and say, yeah, we're getting this much CFM.
No,
we
don't provide that service.
All right. Does what typically does it cost per register, or do you do it per job? Is it?
Yeah, so we do it per register for the residential. We'll do it per register in the unit, and we typically the costs vary depending what kind of service it is. If it's a fire restoration, it's a little more higher on price. Yeah. But if it's just a regular good old, duct cleaning.
And then you sanitize afterwards. You spray
for sure.
What do you spray in it?
We use Biocide 100.
Okay.
It's a, earth-friendly type of chemical. We could spray it, and then 5 minutes you can go back in the home.
Go back in the home. Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice.
And you can look it up on the Action Duct website.
Okay, the Biocide 100.
Biocide 100.
Okay. And then how long does it usually take to clean a house? Clean the ducts?
Typically, I would say for a, let's say 12 register home, 2,400 square feet. We're looking at anywhere between 4 to 6 hours.
Okay. 4 to 6 hours, and that's actually a long time. That's a lot longer than some of the companies like Kuwait used to do it.
Okay.
And Kuwait be kind of quick, but then did they do a good job?
We try to provide the best service.
Is there any kind of guarantees that come along with your?
Yeah, we have a year warranty.
A year warranty. Okay.
Yeah.
And then whenever you guys are doing if another company's going to use you guys and say, hey, we're going to do that, you're still in your own trucks and everything comes up with labels.
Yeah.
So we just say, okay, you're going to have Action Duck come in and clean your ducts for us. I wish you guys were in our area. I'd probably use you.
Where are you guys located?
We're in Modesto, California.
Oh, we definitely have capabilities to be out there.
Modesto's,
yeah.
That's way up north.
Yeah. Well, we service all of California.
Oh, do you? Okay, I didn't know
Southern,
that.
Central, and Northern California.
All right. So
yeah, we have branches out there in Northern California.
yeah, because I don't do duct cleaning myself. We do refer them to another company. That company just recently started doing change outs. So
yeah.
I don't want to have cleaning ducts on houses that I might get a job from later.
Right. Yeah. Well, I'm the commercial HVAC account executive, but we also do have a residential account executive, HOA coordinator.
Yeah. And so is the residential guy, you guys go that far north for residential? Cool. Awesome.
Sure do.
So did you want to talk a little bit about the company itself? How long you worked there?
Oh, so I've been there since 2021.
Mm-hmm.
But like I said, I've been doing duct cleaning since I was 18 years old. I'm 42 now.
Oh, wow.
So I've been in the game a long time. And then at Action Duck, it's a great company. It's family owned, woman owned. The company's been around since 1978, I believe, and it started in Dan and Betty's laundry room, So, and they're still here around. The owners are still around, original owners, and like I said, it's family friendly. It's a good environment, and we try to provide the best service possible.
So, can you tell me what's the worst thing you ever found in the ductwork?
Oh, birds, rats, you name it, mold, You name it. I've seen a lot.
We once found a dead body once.
No way.
Yeah.
Wow. How did that happen?
It was a commercial job. The guy called, said my unit's not working, so got a bad smell coming from it.
Wow.
We go out there, look in the guy tried to rob the place, crawled into the ductwork and got stuck, and he died.
That is gnarly. I've never had anything to that extreme. I think you got me on that, but yeah, that's a good story to tell.
The fire department came out and removed the ductwork. It was it was square duct, but he got stuck in there, couldn't get out, and passed away.
Wow.
So, yeah, that was a long time. That was back in the 70s. So,
wow, that's a crazy story.
Yeah. So I do got you beat, but I've had everything from dead cats to
Possums,
dead rats.
Yeah.
Never had a possum yet.
I had a possum.
I have a lot of cats. I've had a lot of rats.
Rats for sure.
Birds. Had some birds. Birds could be the worst.
Yeah, the feathers are no joke.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll mess up your entire system.
Yeah. So, I appreciate you coming by the booth. Do you have anything you want to add?
No, this has been great.
Phone number you want to run off? Or?
Yeah, so if you guys need any duct cleaning, any HVAC services, you can hit me up at 626-660-6257. Again, my name's Hector Barrios from Action Duct Cleaning, and we're located out of Altadena, California.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thanks for stopping by the booth.
I appreciate you. Thank you.
Did your other lady wanted to come on real quick?
Yeah.
Want to come on and talk about the marketing end of it? Yeah. Come on in. Hand her the mic.
You want to talk about the marketing?
Yeah. Hi.
Put that on so you can hear yourself. So Angelina, what's the last name? I'm sorry.
My name is Angelica Pequeño.
Angelica what?
Pequeño.
Pequeño, okay. Angelica,
Yes.
welcome to the booth. Thank you for coming by.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So talk about you wanted to talk about the marketing end of it or something.
Oh,
right?
sure. Yeah, I'm the marketing director for Action Duct Cleaning. It's a great company. I didn't get to hear everything you guys just said, but I'm sure he gave you the rundown of how long we've been in business, almost 50 years.
Yeah.
We're very proud of the founder. I know he did mention, I heard him say it's a woman-owned business.
Right.
So, and also Dan and Betty. Dan is actually, he was actually part of a really great study that has been published in a scientific journal, really proving how much energy is saved when you
clean your system.
Yes.
When you clean your
so I don't
doors.
know if you guys touched on that, but we did just publish the full report on our website. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, definitely go to actionduct.com.
Right. Okay. So actionduct.com?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Cool.
Yes.
And then, so he was talking about you guys go as far north as Sacramento?
Yes.
Is that just commercial or residential too?
No, commercial, residential, industrial. We service the entire state of California. We also do have the capacity to service outside of California.
Oh, okay.
So we are aiming to do more jobs outside of California nationwide.
Yeah.
So definitely think of us.
Okay, we will do. Do you want to add anything else?
No, I'm so happy to be here. I saw your show connected to this trade show. And
Okay.
this is the trade show to
Well,
be
thanks for
at.
stopping by. I appreciate it.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for making time in your schedule to have us
Yeah.
too.
Thank you. Thanks
All
again.
right. Thanks. Have a great
Thanks
day.
again, Jessica.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.